These are suspension rows. What we do is we have our suspension bands, these very rigid, inflexible straps, strapped up to the top point, a high point way up above us there. And from here, we're gonna lay back into this row, again, keeping our shoulders back and down. So from the starting point, our shoulders are back and down, head is back in line with the rest of our spine as we pull ourselves up through the row here. You only have to pull your elbows to your sides. You don't have to get your hands all the way and wrists to your sides. That might be too far on the shoulder. You just pull so your elbows get to your sides there, and then lower back down into this suspension row here. You will find it easier the further you step away from the bands there, stepping away from the wall or wherever you have them suspended. You will find it harder as you walk your feet closer to that point and you lay back further. Go to a point to where you can control the motion with good form, but feel a nice challenge throughout the exercise. And that there are your suspension rows.